The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. Large swarms of birds are circling and attacking other animals. If you have pets or animals, bring them inside your home. As of this moment, there is no reported attack on humans. I repeat, there is no threat to civilians. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. The birds have become more aggressive. The birds have started to attack bigger animals, including humans. All residents in the city of San Francisco head inside a sturdy building. The birds will not make the attempt to enter into your building. This message will repeat in 5 hours. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All residents in the city of San Francisco, lock all your windows and doors. The birds have started to enter into homes. The birds are entering homes using doors, windows, air vents, chimneys, and garages. Do not let a bird inside your home. I repeat, do not let a bird inside your home. You may be severely injured. This message will repeat in 20 minutes. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Species of birds like hawks, falcons, and eagles have broken into multiple people's homes. We interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. The birds are attacking humanity. I repeat, birds are attacking humanity. If you have not entered into a shelter, it is too late to do so. All you could do is wait for the end. Anyone in a shelter, remain in the shelter. Bring inside food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. If birds enter your shelter, attempt to take it down. The outside world is a danger to The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The government has decided to use nuclear weapons to eliminate the majority populations of birds. All residents living in large population centers should seek a fallout shelter. Stand by for the last showing of the national anthem. God bless America.